Good morning, everyone. It's raining in Vermont. And my puppies. No, you can't get on the sofa like that. Get down. My puppies still have to go outside. Get down. Get down. You were not listening to Mama. Get down. Girl. Get down. Well, anyway, I couldn't hold 2 leashes and an umbrella, so I have rain in my hair. So let's see what rain in Vermont does to my hair, because I just washed it yesterday. And curly hair dries out. I am still confused about curly hair and what to do with it and how to make it look pretty. I like the curl, you know. But when I comb it, sometimes I look bouffant-y. Y'all know what bouffant is? Like 1940s and 50s stacked bouffant. Hi. Big. I like the separation of the curls. But as it gets longer, I want it short again. Help a girl out. Should I leave it growing or should I trim it again? Of course, I won't be back in Kansas City for probably close to a month, so I can't, because, Bree is the only one who does my hair. If you're in Kansas City and you haven't checked out Bree, you need to.